Alright everybody, we're back here. It's been about 5 or 6 hours. We are going to paint the engine bay, the wheel wells, and the trunk. It's not cured enough for us to get in here and put tape on anything, so we have to let this cure up for another day before we do the actual inside. So we're going to paint the trunk, everything inside the trunk up to here, because nobody's going to see the overlap mark. We're going to get the fender wells painted. Like I said, try to get some color on this thing tonight. We are painting the interior and engine bay the new Phoenix yellow off the 2021 limited Civic. It's actually Honda's or Acura Integra's Type R yellow. It's Phoenix yellow, and I think now it's called Sunburst yellow. I'll have to check here. It's on the can. What's the where's the lid on that can?
I'll go ahead and mix this.
Yeah. This is, yeah, they call it Sunlight Yellow now. It used to be Phoenix Yellow. So stay tuned. We'll get this thing painted yellow, and we'll show you some process on it, guys. All right, guys, we got our first coat of Type R yellow on the car. Part way. We got the engine bay covered, we got the wheel wells done, and we got the trunk area done. The primer's still just a little too soft to get in the car to tape everything off. We don't want to peel the primer off, so we're going to let it cure overnight until tomorrow. And we'll show you the process of putting all the paper in here to get this cage painted. Then we're going to get the yellow painted inside. So here is all the Type R yellow that we got done. It actually come out pretty good, guys. This is only one coat. We got another coat to put on it. We got the fender wells done. Everything looking good. This car's gonna look a little different. We did the back fender wells to give it some accent. And we got part of the trunk done. I still got to spray some more on it. Getting ready to hit it again. So that, and we got the other fender wells done. So I hope everybody likes the color so far. We've got a lot of work and about probably 4 or 5 more days on this thing before we're actually done with it, to where we can move on to the bumpers, the doors, and the fenders, and everything else that I have for it to paint. So we'll get the car done first, and then we'll paint everything else. So stay tuned here, and we're going to get the second coat of yellow done on this stuff here, and we might even throw the clear coat on the engine bay tonight. Who knows? See how froggy I feel tonight, guys. We might just leave it. We don't know. But please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss none of the videos on this. We'll walk you through from start to finish on this thing, and we will get this thing done to where we can start wiring, putting our seats in, and getting our fuel system in, get our brakes in, get everything in that we have here for it. Hopefully by the end of winter, we'll hopefully have a rolling chassis and maybe a motor, and hopefully starting on transmission and stuff, guys. So we're going to see how far we get before winter. So please stay tuned.